Okay, back again with another one. It is Friday and it is hot. And Axel, what are you gonna flex today?
What? My Jeep.
All right, now you haven't...
my dirty Jeep, it's being used.
Slightly.
It has been used, that's why it's dirty. And yeah, we've got a 3.5 game changer metal cloak lift kit. I have it from the beginning, and so far I'm very, very happy.
Awesome.
Let's see what it brings to the...
What it does on the flex frame.
Yeah.
Okay. Thoughts?
I am just happy that nobody's doing any efficient work here and that we're all hanging out.
Everyone's just, you know, hanging out, working hard.
And nobody's doing anything. Great.
Gotta get his
One way to get out of business.
Technically, Axel has already gone up the flex ramp, so we have him marked. So it's actually going to be interesting to see if he can beat his original mark. You can tell, just like
So is somebody protecting my, so that I don't tilt?
You know what?
Somebody saving my life?
Yeah, you've been fine. Almost where you got last time.
okay, yeah, you got it.
A little more.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you actually still have.
You need fenders. That's literally the only thing hanging you up with the fender. Let's see.
Hey, honestly,
come stand right here, man.
if you go up, I mean, you're very close to taking first place, honestly.
Okay, can somebody be at the...
That's not bad.
He's very close to being like in first place.
Got a little slippage.
Oh, got slippage. Okay. Damn. Travis, I think he took your money.
I think he did.
I think he took it. He's close.
Yeah, I think he did.
That's
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh man, you just got man.
Let me go get the chalk.
yeah, you better go get the chalk.
We got a new hero.
What? I mean, if you didn't care about fenders, you could take first place. Almost.
Yeah.
Built by FORTEC.
Dang, that's harder than that. Really?
That's what I'm saying. This is so unassuming.
That is wow. That's impressive.
Right there.
Very nice.
And to think, this is where he was last time.
Yeah, well, I'm spotting him this time.
That was actually the first time they made me.
Oh, he's gonna love that his name's...
Oh, I spelled your name wrong twice. I'm so sorry.
No, it's his nickname on the flex ramp.
Yep, you're good.
See, Alex has his money on the Gladiator. He thinks the Gladiator could.
I mean, with the that's the one with the long.
No, the swapped.
The 392 swap.
Well, we need to be very careful with that one.
Because nothing is tight on it.
Yeah, nothing's tight. It's not finished. And we haven't checked the clearance of the oil filter.
Perfect.
Yeah.
We're all good.
Oh, this would be a perfect opportunity.
This is where
you know,
we check
it's a good time to find out all of that.
Okay.
I mean,
that would be amazing.
Yeah, because this is. I mean, you.
Yeah.
fenders, and you would have been very close.
So we can take this away, right?
If you can, it's chalk.
Sure.
Just draw a line through it.
We need
forever
the
on the
magic
flex
eraser.
Okay, so give us the breakdown of what's so special about this Gladiator.
I can't even remember. 392. It's got a 392. 392. Yeah. It's a 392 swap.
Clearly.
Yep. It's got an Alpine kit on it. It's like a mid-length kit. I can't remember which kit it is though. I'm not the salesman. We just put them on.
It's on there.
But the rear is gonna have a lot of down
I'm about to
travel.
say, yeah, you should try that going
Yeah,
back.
it's gonna have a lot of down travel.
That thing sounds so good.
Yeah. And it is clearly not quite finished yet.
That's
Still work in progress, which is
Still
good.
work in
That's good.
progress.
It's a good benchmark test to
Yeah.
see. I don't know why they all don't come out with a V8 option.
And he does not have disconnect in the front.
Oh, okay. Well,
What was that?
You're just pushing
you
the
just
ramp.
didn't go up
I
it.
am full on the brakes.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe today's not the day.
Okay. So that was brake power.
He was on the brake.
You were on the
Brakes are
brakes?
Good enough for two-wheel drive, but not good enough for four low. It's pushing through. So we can't do
What?
Why don't I oversee this so that we?
it. We can't do it yet. The
What?
brakes are too mushy, and it's four lows just pushing through the brakes.
Oh, it doesn't have brakes.
It's got too much torque for the brakes.
Wow. What brakes did we do on it?
We didn't do it. We had to take the brake lines off. It just hasn't been bled yet.
Got it.
Yeah.
Well, that's a disappointment.
Well,
Yeah.
to be continued.
That's fine. Next time it'll be
That
more
was
ready.
ready.
Went up backwards, and if we went up backwards in that would have traveled really far.
All gas, no brakes.
Yeah,
Well, I was wondering why he kept going. I was like, oh my god.
Yep.
that's funny.
But look, it's fine. Everything's good. But it was a scary moment for that hard dog. It was like, don't hurt me.
Make the customer happy by addressing every little detail, and we may even use the fourth wheel to make it ride better.
You know, when people drive by, I think they pull into a lot for this very reason. Of,
I think
wait
so,
a
too.
second. Wait.
I
Can I have what? Can I have what he has?
Yeah, we can do that. It's got everything, just not the wheel.